Good morning, kids. Hope you're doing great at home. Stay home, stay safe. Regularly wash and sanitize your hands. Before starting our activity, we will sanitize our hands. Grab a sanitizer, put few drops of it on your palm and rub. Rub, rub, rub your hands. Rub, rub, rub your hands slowly. Slowly, fast. Now we will learn how to sneeze in a proper way. For that we will be requiring a tissue paper. Excuse me. Kids, always remember not to use that tissue again and immediately dispose that tissue in a dustbin. Thank you. Bye. Stay home, stay safe and regularly wash your hands for 20 seconds. Bye bye. See you.